Welcome to Internet Quality Academy. The channel is for the civil engineer, quality control engineer, and site engineer. We are dealing here about the construction and the quality control. Today also, I am discussing about a very important topics in construction, that is chair bar. In the reinforcement, without the chair bar, it is impossible to lay the reinforcement. So, what is chair bar? What is the use of chair bar and how to calculate the length of the chair bar and what is the BBS of the chair bar? In this video, I'll discuss in everything in detail. So stay tuned until the end to get the full information about the chair bar. And if you're new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So let's start. What is chair bar? Suppose you have a double reinforcement slab, the top bar, top mesh and the bottom mesh. Now, how to keep the top mesh in place? That's why the chair bar is coming. What is a chair bar? It's providing in between top mesh and the bottom mesh so that the bottom mesh and will be top mesh will be in the same place and it will not come down towards the bottom mesh. So this is the chair bar. In definition, what is called supportive devices for reinforcement designed to elevate and support reinforcement mesh or the bars. So it is a supportive device. But without this supportive device, we cannot concrete or we cannot place the bar in the double reinforcement bar. So these are the what is the chair bar. Now, what is the purpose of chair bar? As we discussed, maintain the required cover thickness of the reinforcement. If there is no chair bar, what is happening? This bottom and top reinforcement will be in the come in the same place. Now, it is happening. Why the bar is placed in the top and bar is placed in the bottom? Because as per the design, we need on that area itself the reinforcement to withstand the tensile force. And if there is no separator bar or the chair bar, what will happen? The bar will be displaced and it will not in the position. So due to the tensile force, there will be a problem in the structural integrity. So to keep in the intact position, this chair bar is very, very important. Prevent sagging displacement during concrete pouring. So what is happening whenever we're pouring the concrete is a heavy material. So there is a possibility that it can be displaced. So displaced from its position. So the chair bar also keeping this bar in position or in the tension zone or wherever it is required, and ensuring structural integrity by properly positioning reinforcement. As we discussed, that if the bar is not properly positioned or not in the place as per the requirement or as per the design, that means whenever there is a tensile force or bending moment will come, the structure will be failed. So this way, the chair bar provided the structural integrity, aids in achieving design strength and durability. So without the chair bar, it is very much impossible to keep the reinforcement in place as per the design requirement, and so that the structural integrity will be ensured. So this is the purpose of the chair bar. Now we need to calculate the chair bar. So before calculating the chair bar, let's see what is chair bar. Chair bar has three components. What is first is called head, second is called height, and then third is called leg. So these three we need to calculate: head, height, and leg. Let's see how we can calculate. First things is the head length. Head length, which is that one? The top portion. Head length of the head will be 2 into spacing plus 2 into 50. So what is the spacing? Suppose the center distance of the reinforcement mesh is 150. Then what will be the length? So if the spacing is 150 and then the head length will be 2 into 150. Why? It is two number of spacing. So one spacing, two spacing. 150 plus 2 into 50. So its total, it will come 400. 2 into 150 is 300 plus 200 and 2 into 50 equal to 400. So head length formula is 2 into spacing plus 2 into 50. Now the height. What is the height? That's the height. What will be the height that we want to check? Height of the chair is depth of footing, depth minus upper and lower clear cover of concrete plus bottom 1 bar dia plus upper 2 bar dia. Now we can understand the depth of the foundation minus the top cover minus the bottom cover. Then it is saying bottom 1 bar dia. Why? It is very much important that the chair should be placed in the bottom main reinforcement, not in the bottom distribution. If it is distribution, there is a load will be more on the bottom bar. So the bottom reinforcement bar above the bottom bar, the chair will be placed. That's why one bottom dia bar and upper two dia bar. So what will be the height? That is, if the depth of foundation is 400 mm, cover 50 mm in the both, and 12 mm diameter mesh in place, then 400 minus 50 that bottom cover, 50 top cover, one number bar die in bottom, that is 12, then two number bar die of top, that is 2 into 12, that is 24. It is coming 264. So that's why we can calculate the height of the chair. The next is leg. Leg of chair is same thing, 2 into spacing plus 50. Here it is 2 into spacing into 250. Here 2 into spacing plus 50 mm. So spacing is my 150 mm center. So it is 200, 150 into plus, that is 350. So these are the three length: head length, height, and leg. So I got 400, 264, and 350. Now we need to bend as per the requirement. Now we have to give the cutting length to the bar bender so that he can make the bar as per the requirement. So what will be the cutting length? For cutting length, we know all that we have to deduct the number of 90-degree bend. So how many number is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 number 90-degree bend is there in the chair. So what will be the cutting length? One head. So one head, two height, because that is two height, and that's two leg, minus 4 in number bend into 90-degree. Now let's calculate. 400 is one head, 264 into 2, because 2 number height plus 2 leg, 250, minus 4 number bend. So one bend, how much we are deducting? 2d. What is the d? Is 12, and 2 into d. So these will be deducted, and how much it will come? 400, 2 into 264, 528, 2 into 350, 700, minus 4 into 2 into 12 is 96. It's coming 1532 mm. So the cutting length will be 1532 mm, and this, along with the shape, we need to provide the bar bender or the steel fixer so that he can cut the bar, bend the bar, and place the bar. Now let's summarize. There are three parts of the chair: head, height, leg. Head will be two spacing into two spacing plus 2 into 50. Height will be depth of foundation minus upper cover minus lower cover minus one bottom dia bar minus two upper dia bar. And what is the leg? 2 into spacing plus 50. And the cutting length, one head, two height, two leg, minus 4 number 90-degree bend. So these are the formula for calculating the chair. So whenever you are in the site, whenever you are calculating the chair length or chair cutting length, apply this formula. And now we need to place the chair at the side. But what is the number of chair? How many numbers we need to provide at the chair, provide at the side? And also the chair diameter will be minimum 12 mm. Below 12 mm we cannot provide the chair bar because it is taking the load from the bottom jelly. So we need to provide the 12 mm. And what will be the minimum number of chair? As per IS 456, maximum center to center distance of the chair is 1 meter. So which means, that means in 1 square meter area there must be one chair. The maximum center distance from both x and y direction should not be exceed 1 meter. It is provided in the as per IS 456. So whenever we are keeping mind, whenever we are dealing with the chair, keep in mind that it should be center maximum 1 meter. If it is less, it's okay, but it should not overcome the 1 meter length. And how to calculate chair and how to make the cutting length. So this is the all about the chair, how to calculate the chair length, how to calculate the cutting length, and what is the number of chair to be provided in the project. And I hope you enjoy this one. And if you enjoy this one, please like my channel and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. And I'm waiting for your valuable comments. So from valuable comment, everybody will be benefited. And I'm waiting for your comments so that from your comment, I will come with more content like this. Thank you once again for watching me.